The 10 best foods for longer life. What we eat has the potential to help us or harm us. Our addiction to processed food offers insufficient nourishment and is the cause of illnesses like obesity, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes. It doesn't have to be this way. We should eat foods that leave us energized, reduce our risk of illness, and allow us to maintain a healthy weight, to live longer and be healthier. We have to fuel our bodies with nutrient-dense foods. Natural plant foods can restore our health and vitality. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. These are vegetable powerhouses with the unique ability to modify human hormones, activate the body's natural detoxification system, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Cruciferous vegetables should be chewed thoroughly or eaten, shredded, chopped, juiced, or blended in order to release their potent anti-cancer properties. The cruciferous phytochemical sulforaphane has been found to protect blood vessel walls from inflammatory signaling that can lead to heart disease. 2. Salad greens. Raw leafy green vegetables, some more cruciferous, contain less than 100 calories per pound, making them an ideal food for weight control. In scientific studies, women who ate a large salad at the beginning of a meal eat fewer calories from the rest of the meal, and larger salads reduce calories more than smaller ones. In addition to keeping weight down, greater intake of salads, leafy greens, or raw vegetables is associated with reduced risk of heart attack, stroke, diabetes, and several cancers. 3. Nuts. A high nutrient source of healthful fats, plant protein, fiber, antioxidants, phytosterols, and minerals, nuts are low glycemic foods that also help reduce the glycemic load of an entire meal, making them an important component for an anti-diabetes diet. Despite their caloric density, nut consumption is associated with lower body weight, potentially due to appetite suppression from heart-healthy components. 4. Seeds. The nutritional profile of seeds is very similar to nuts in that they provide healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants. But seeds have more protein and are abundant in trace minerals. Flax, chia, and hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 fats. 5. Berries. These antioxidant-rich fruits are very heart-healthy. Studies in which participants ate blueberries or strawberries daily for several weeks reported improvements in blood pressure, signs of oxidative stress total, and LDL cholesterol. Berries also have anti-cancer properties and are an excellent food for the brain. There is evidence that berry consumption could help prevent cognitive decline with aging. 6. Pomegranate. The pomegranate is a unique fruit containing tiny, crisp, juicy arils with a tasty mix of sweet and tart flavors. The signature phytochemical of pomegranate, punate collagen, is the most abundant and is responsible for more than half the antioxidant activity of pomegranate juice. Pomegranate phytochemicals have a variety of anti-cancer, cardioprotective, and brain-healthy actions. 7. Beans. Daily consumption of beans and other legumes helps stabilize blood sugar, reduce your appetite, and protect against colon cancer. The most nutrient-dense starch source, beans act as an anti-diabetes and weight loss food because they are digested slowly, which blunts the rise in blood glucose after a meal and helps prevent food cravings by promoting satiety. 8. Mushrooms. Consuming mushrooms regularly is associated with a decreased risk of breast cancer because they contain aromatase inhibitors, compounds that inhibit the production of estrogen. White and portobello mushrooms are especially protective against breast cancer. Mushrooms have quite an array of beneficial properties. 9. Onions and garlic. The allium family of vegetables, of which onions are a member, benefit the cardiovascular and immune systems and have anti-diabetic and anti-cancer effects. Increased consumption of allium vegetables is associated with a lower risk of gastric and prostate cancers. 10. Tomatoes. An abundance of health-promoting nutrients can be found in tomatoes: lycopene, vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and flavanol. Antioxidants to name but a few. Lycopene in particular protects against prostate cancer, UV skin damage, and cardiovascular disease. About 85% of the lycopene in American diets is derived from tomatoes. Lycopene is more absorbable when tomatoes are cooked. 1 cup of tomato sauce has 10 times the lycopene as 1 cup of raw chopped tomatoes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips.